Am I the only one who didn't know that scaling a beauty business could be this exciting? Trust me, you're in for a treat. Dream of scaling your beauty business to new heights? Picture your products flying off the shelves, your brand celebrated by loyal customers, and your revenue soaring. Sounds amazing, right? Ginger King can help make your beauty-preneur dreams a reality with expert 10x coaching. Stuck on product development? Struggling with scaling your revenue? These challenges are common, but you don't have to face them alone. Ginger's got your back. You have the passion. You have the vision. Now it's time to 10x your strategy. With Ginger's cosmetic expertise and 10x business systems, you'll have the tools to succeed. It's time to leverage the power of proven systems. Partner with Ginger King and her 10x business coaching to accelerate your growth. Imagine having an industry expert working side by side with you, navigating the path to success. Ready to scale your business? Book your consultation with Ginger King today and 10x your beauty business. Let's turn those dreams into reality.